Dear students, welcome back to your maths class. So today we are going to do very interesting worksheets. These are designed by me. With the help of these worksheets, you will be able to match the dots with the numbers and the spellings as well. Okay, so let's start. Count the dots and match with the numbers. Okay, can you count the dots with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are there? 5. Can you match them with number 5? Okay. Can you find the spelling words for 5? Where is it? Very good. You found it. 5. Now, count the dots with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many dots are there? 8. Can you find the number 8 over here on the left side? Very good. This is number 8. Can you match it? Can you find the spellings of number 8? Very good. 8. Count again with me. 1, 2, 3. How many dots can you see? 3. Can you match it with the number? 3. Okay. Can you find the spellings of number 3? Very good. THREE, 3. Count the dots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is number 7? Very good. This is number 7. Can you find the spellings of number 7? Very good. 7. Can you find any dot over here? What do you think this number is? This is number 0. Can you find the spellings of number 0? Z-E-R-O, 0. Very good, children. You did a very good effort. Next, I have a very interesting worksheet for you. Okay, this worksheet. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balls? 8. Very good. Count the butterflies with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many butterflies? 6. Count the sparrows with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sparrows. Count the clouds with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Very good. Count the carrots with me. How many carrots? 3. Very good. Count the umbrellas with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 umbrellas. How many cupcakes? Who loves cupcakes? Do you love cupcakes? Very good. How many cupcakes can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes. How many eggs can you see? Only 1. Very good. Okay, children, you did very well with me. Tomorrow we are going to do some book work of grade 1. I will take any book of grade 1 and then we will do some book work. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And I will also share with you some interesting with you tomorrow. Worksheet. Okay. See you. Inshallah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.